Hi guys, this video will be about hacking my electronic sign. I've led up to this in previous videos. This will just be a quick demo. I've connected the serial port of an Amiga CD32 to the serial output, which is software, just to output the string containing the artist and track info for MP3s passed from the ID3 tag. I've borrowed the output that was previously controlling the LED for activity light for the SD card and using that now as a serial output. Here I've connected an infrared receiver to my scope and it's powered with a battery. You'll see the infrared codes for A, B and C. It beeps loudly every time a button is pushed, so I'm disconnecting this speaker. The sign's documentation states that it retains its program memory for up to 30 days, so I suspected it had a VADA battery in it. I like it much more now. It's got a Zilog Z80 and its accompanying DMA controller. My first computer was a Z80, even though I only wrote for interpreted BASIC. The Sega SC3000H. I've connected test clips to this module now, so it has a serial input from the MP3 player and an infrared output to the sign. I've unplugged the earphones for the rest of these two demos so that you don't hear any music at all. And this is the title of the previous track that's, well, currently playing now, but it was previously sent to the sign. And the next one will come up pretty shortly. It's entered with long delays, so I'll crank that up later on and see how fast I can get it. But for safety right now, it's sent at 1200 baud with several 100 milliseconds delay between characters. The serial data is output fairly quickly from the MP3 player and then buffered by the other module, which can send it out slowly. The external module to convert the serial to the infrared probably isn't necessary and could be built into the MP3 player GPS hardware, but I'm not sure I want it as a permanent feature. I think I'd rather remove it and use the module for something else. Later on, I'd like to implement the same MP3 decoder chip used in this project in the Amiga CD32 itself and use its hard drive to buffer the MP3. So in the end, the sign's still used to display a song and artist, but it's just on a slightly different project.